Cutting a cord and getting divorced from a relationship or running away from a relationship, it's not the solution. Unless and until you're really in an abusive relationship, then you should take legal help. But in terms of ego, in terms of understanding, you should work on your relationship. Welcome to my channel, Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, relationship and life coach. So basically, you have to understand every number has its own energy. Let's say uh, number 1 to 9, every number has its own energy and they have a particular pattern how they will behave with their partners. Obviously, your partner will not be having the same mulank or the same driver number. Sometimes it happens though, but then it becomes a little easier because you would understand your partner better because you are also in the same zone or same mulank or same driver number. Today I'm going to talk about driver number 9, that means who are born on 9th, 18th or 27th of the month, how they will behave as a partner. Or if you have your spouse whose mulank number 9, then how you should behave with your partner. If you are driver number 9, then you can take the reference, you can relate this video very well. But if your partner is driver number 9, then you should understand your partner through this video. You can show them and you can have a better understanding between yourself. If you haven't, if you're already having, then very good. If you haven't, then you can refer this video. You have to understand the energy of driver 9 or mulank 9. That means these people are actually driven by the planet called Mars. Mars is a very energetic, very enthusiastic planet. So if driver number 9 people don't see that energy in that partner, they get very upset, they get very angry. It's an angry planet. If you remember last year 2025, it was the total was coming to 9. There's a lot of war has commenced. War is still going on, but the commencement has happened last year because it's an angry planet, it's a hot planet. Thus this driver number 9 people become very extremist. They want the same loyalty, same respect, same energy from their partners also. But it's not possible because your partner may be having a different driver number, a different energy. So you should behave accordingly. Let's say, you can say it this way. Driver number 9 people, it's behave like a coconut. They are very hard and rude from outside, but inside they are very soft. Often it's being referred as a character of Mahabharat, which is Danveer Karn. If you remember, when Krishna came in disguise and he wanted his lifeline, he gave away his lifeline without any question. That makes driver 9 people also humanitarian, also very helpful. They don't care what they have. They jump into people's life to help themselves. They keep themselves last, others first in terms of helping others. But in case you betray or get unfaithful as a partner, then God can only help. So they want the same energy, they want to transmit the same energy to their partners also. Among these three numbers, 9, 18 and 27, 27 is the most intense because it is a combination of number 2 and 7. So that makes them more intense. And often it is seen that if somebody is having more number of 9s in their Loshu grid, so they become extremists, they become more angry, they get very angry in small things or maybe everything. So and it happens that they have, it is called actually in numerology the Manglik Yoga. So more number of 9s mean Manglik Yoga, and they get either they can get married very late or they get married twice. Let me know in comments if you're also driver number 9 and if you have more number of 9s in your Loshu grid and one of these incidents has happened with you also. So the solution is you should understand your partner. If they are number 9, if you are driver number 9, then you should have control on your anger in your thought process. Everybody cannot be like you. Everybody cannot have the same energy what you transmit. So you have to understand others also. Getting angry, getting upset is not the solution of everything. You should understand things from inside. You should understand things from others' point of view also. As a solution, as a remedy, you should intake more water during the day. so that your body, the entire system gets calm. This is my advice. I'll tell you one secret. I'm also driver number 9. In fact, I'm born on 27. So I also get upset with small things. I get angry with small things. I used to, but now I control my anger. Now I try to understand things from others' point of view, because I cannot be right all the time. So you also understand, you need to understand this very well and can act accordingly. Save this video and apply this small things in your life if you're driver number 9, or share this video with your friends, families who are driver number 9. I'm sure it will be helpful. Hope you like today's content, and these are small things I bring into my channel to make you aware of small characteristics, small attributes of your driver number. Next week I'll come up with some other driver number, other basic or special characteristic of that particular driver number. Let me know in comment how you like this content, how you like my video. If you don't like it, then also comment, and I'll see you next week. Namaste.